only artist to be with Coke Studio for 3 consecutive years. Grabe yun, no? No? Yeah, and we're not only part of Coke Studio. Ayan na. May kaya enthusiast. May kaya ba kayo? Ako sa inyo. May spill. May spill ba ko ba?
Gano?
Balita ko lumagari kayo, Mika.
Lumagari. What's lumagari da? Gumala. Yes, lumagari talaga kami.
Minsan, ang mga random thoughts ko, ano kayang ginagawa ngayon ni Kim Taeyong? Diba? Parang hindi mo, random talaga, minsan iisip ko lang yun. Sa dami-dami ng tao, feeling ko may nakasabay kang umupo, o may nakasabay kang kumurap, may nakasabay kang dumikhay. Feeling ko hindi lang tayo yung tao dito sa mundo. Yung Milky Way, ang daming planet, so hindi natin sure. So diba? Sobrang dami, so hindi mo sasabi na nag-iisa lang tayo. Imposible. Baka yung sa alien, ang tingin sa atin tayong alien. Diba? Tatay ng lolo ni Ate Shi is anak pala ng kalololohan ko. Diba? Gigits ba yun? Kaya totoo talaga na magkakapatid tayong lahat kasi nanggaling lang tayo kay Edward. Ay, ako na. Tapos ito minsan na iniisip ko, ano kaya ingredients ng ingredients? Diba yung ingredients, kunwari, itong adobo, may ingredients siyang salt. Ano kaya yung ingredients ng salt? Tapos ano pa yung ingredients ng salt? Diba? Ako lang ba? Ganyan talaga. Grabe. Tapos minsan, pag nag-ano ako, kunwari, nasa biyahe kami, tingin ako sa diba, labas. Tapos pag may makita akong tao, inisip ko, ano kaya yung history ng buhay niya, ng pamilya niya? Saan kaya siya pupunta ngayon? Ano kaya yung trabaho niya? Ano kaya yung pangalan niya?
Di ba kayo nalalamigan? Pero ilan ka-years tayo ngayon? Nasa 20 plus, no? Nakakastax na kayo, Bruce? Dito ba tayo nakita sa Washington? Grabe, bigatin talaga kayo, Bruce, no? Pero wala silang pamasahe. Nagagalit sila, no? Maglakad na kayo after na ito. Tandaan na. Oo, para sabay tayo makauwi. Are you guys ready?
Hi po! Hi, Stacy!
Next, may isa pa.
Hi po! Pwede po. again, Maryland.
Oh,
We were in London. The party ride with my family. Hotel.
thank you. Nice to see you again. Hello.
Okay, guys. Those who have VIP, you have to fall in line again.
Alright.
Come with me.
Those
Those who have ID lang, ha?
They went to see the London show. Thank you so much.
O, sino na yung mga may meet and greet pa isa? Please make it fast.
May meet and greet pa daw.
Hindi, balik eh.
Wala na.
Nakita po ko.
Kalat.
Thank you.
Taga Bohol ko. Yeah, taga Tagbilaran sad. Pero taga Kalapit yun ang akong ano.
Ako sa kalapit ng
Oh?
classmate. Si Perez.
Oh, ako na mga igagaw. Yeah.
Hey, let me get it.
Malay.
Let me hold it for you. I will hold it for you.
Jo.
Salamat po.
Okay, let's go na po. Okay, let's go.
Mika.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Turn.
Stay safe eh.
Dollars ang bayad ng overtime.
Thank you. Aya.
Thank you. Let's go.
Last na.
Ate,
Aya.
please naman.
Thank you po.
To be here with us tonight. This is not a goodbye, New York. We will see you again at the Philippine Independence Day Parade tomorrow.
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Toto.
Blooms, have you been enjoying our latest Beaniverse EP? Don't forget, we also have our Beaniverse EP merch. The Beaniverse EP Animal pins, posters, and mini album are still up for pre-order on beanie.global. Oh my gosh, it's a bomber jacket! Blooms from the US, Canada, UK, Europe, Australia, and Japan can also avail the beanie magnets and blink twice bomber jacket. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your favorites now.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving the bomber jacket.
The bomber jacket? When you wear it, you're gonna boom.
You're gonna boom daw.
Here, you get the mic.
Thank you guys for joining our Beaniversity Games. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, nabusog kami, at may mga natutunan tayo. And don't forget to register your email po para makontak kayong winners po regarding your prizes. Nako, pag hindi nyo nakuha to, bahala kayo dyan. Amin na to. Malapit na ang World Tour, kaya pray tayo for our safe travels dahil back-to-back ang ating pupuntahang cities po. And we will miss you guys. Sana wag nyo kami makalimutan. But we will be back, okay? We will be back.
See you, Blooms, after 2 months.
Bye, guys! We will update you naman. We miss you. Yeah. Good luck sa mga ganap sa buhay. Thank you.
Thank you po. Live your life. Iyak na kayo right now.
Ulit, para sa kanya lang to. OT1 ka ha. Okay. Belated happy birthday! Thank you for inspiring me through your song, especially Carrera. It will be my medicine song every time I feel left out in life. Padayon, may walo. Padayon, may walo from Ina Reyna. Oh, what can you say to me?
Thank you po. Pero 8 po kami kumando ng Carrera. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Kailan niyo ba ako mapansin?
Ayokong maniwala! Ayokong maniwala! Oh no! Oh no! Pero sa iyong sulyap, mga matay na mumusak, hindi ko man magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito?
Balay! Balay!
Hi! Hi, I'm Aya. Hi, I'm Gwen. Hi, I'm Maloy. Hi, I'm Miko. Hi, I'm Sheena. I'm Joanna. I'm Stacy. I'm Colette. And we are Beanie. And we're playing Most Likely To with Cosmopolitan UK. Wait, Boss Bay?
Boss, I think it's
this.
Gwen.
Mika.
May?
It's our leader, the boss.
Oh, the boss babe? I think it's
Mika.
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 I think the puppy line. Mika.
And Joanna.
Mika Colette.
Everyone.
Strong personality.
Why? No, explain.
Oh, why?
Timaloy.
Because you're so hot. I'm the leader. Obviously.
Okay.
But I think we all have like a...
The leader.
Bukod daw sa lahat. Kasi wait. They all know though. They all know though.
Okay. Yeah.
Mika and Joanna.
Sheena. Our youngest. Our
Sheena.
main dancer.
Our dancers.
Yes. Actually, she choreographed one of our songs, the Patropico Chorus.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want sample?
Yeah.
Yup.
You.
Me? Her.
Ate Maloy.
Everywhere.
Ate Maloy.
She sings everywhere.
Not just in
Randomly.
Maloy, yeah.
I sing everywhere.
Yeah.
Na 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 na, nahuhulog ang loob. Di na 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 na, natututo sa noon, sa nakaraan. Nalimutan lahat sa'yo, pagdating sa'yo. Yeah.
Ate Maloy.
Joanna.
Ate Maloy. Joanna.
Joanna and Ate Maloy.
Maloy, Joanna.
These two.
Why?
I feel like we all get emotional, especially when we see your family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
During concert.
I never except
You
And the
did.
contract sa'yo.
No, didn't.
Pinifest.
Yeah.
Right.
It's me and
No, I was having a panic attack.
Yeah. Ay, my gosh. It's me and Joanna.
Yeah, Maloy and
The crybaby.
Joanna.
Oh.
Sheena.
Or Joanna. Or Joanna. The Pantropico dance. Or Joanna, baby.
She.
She loves to
Sheena.
TikTok trend.
With you.
Solo days.
Solo?
Gwen.
Joanna. No, I think it's Ate
Gwen, modeling.
Guitar lesson.
She's our
Gwen.
No. It's a surprise.
She
Gwen.
loves to write songs.
The Dark Horse.
She already wrote, I think, two to three original songs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe me.
Maybe someday. We thank you.
Or Ate Aya for a surprise.
Surprising.
Surprising.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Oh, it's Gwen.
It's Gwen.
Left on read.
Hindi, ikaw yung mali-left on her.
It's Joanna.
Yung hindi nire-reply.
Or
Oh, it's
Stako.
me. I always
It's Stacy.
message in our group, but they don't reply.
You always just message links.
Yeah,
Because she sends links that are not
Yeah.
friendly.
That's supposed to be. Don't say that.
Yeah, it's
That's a
Taco.
secret.
She's the most active one.
Just sounds whatever.
She's the most clingy.
No, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, well. I'm sorry.
Oh, Joanna.
Let's go!
Just a while ago, she was just in the car.
TikTok, a lot of TikToks here in
Same
London.
audio, but
same
different
audio,
locations.
same
She loves the London streets.
Yeah. She's our main character here.
Yeah.
For this trip, yes.
Okay, for this trip. On the London trip.
We'll
Okay.
take that.
We'll take that. Oh, even
Aya.
Ate Maloy.
Gwen.
Yeah, Ate Maloy.
Okay.
The baby.
Gwen
Aya.
Sheena.
I'm your baby.
A baby.
Yeah.
A princess and a princess are different.
She's the princess.
Different
the baby.
categories.
The princess, the baby, the babyest.
Baby princess.
Baby don't.
Baby.
Mom and
Aya. Yeah.
Eldest.
With you? Yeah.
You're 22, right?
You look with like the eldest.
Sheena.
She's our youngest.
Yeah. The jokester.
The ball of sunshine.
She's the jokester.
Like a ball.
Oh, Ate Colette.
To sing it
Maloy all the time.
everyone.
She shouts random.
All the time.
She's very loud.
Yes. In the car, doing makeup.
Gwen also. Yeah.
Her earphones on.
Oh.
You also.
Okay.
Just accept it.
Okay. Oh.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You.
Again?
Yes.
And you turn it into.
I think everyone.
Because you like to belt.
She likes to swing.
I have a lot of belts.
She likes to belt.
I like to belt.
Oh, it's a real one.
Ate Aya.
Ate Aya.
She's late.
Late.
Always late.
Explain.
Hey, they're asking fashionably late. Oh, so it's you. You're accepting
Adding out the fashionably.
Like a while ago, you didn't notice that it's already 8:21. Our pullout is 8:30. So you like,
I thought it was 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you have a watch here.
Oh, another girl.
Lately, I think it's Stacy.
Stacy lately.
Oh yeah.
Lately. Because of Cat's Eye.
I'm so addicted. Hi, Daniela.
Anyone who's available. And what's the
Sabrina, Dua Lipa,
Tate McRae.
Taylor Tate.
Kate McRae. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the pop stars.
Pop star.
Me. Ay! Oh, yeah, you.
Sumagot.
It's her.
No, it's
Okay, what answer for yourself?
I feel like if it's K-pop wise, me. Because I stand a lot of groups, boy groups, girl groups. But if like in Hollywood, like Taylor Swift, Sabrina, I feel like
Joanna.
Oh
yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
of course.
actually.
Oh, it's me! Obviously me! And Sheena.
Also
And
me.
yeah,
I think it's
I love to organize.
Shinsi. It's Sheena and Stacey.
Oh, may Shinsi pa.
Yeah.
Organize. May Shins. First time ko marinig yun.
Two.
Mine's also clean.
Oh,
For my eyes only.
for her eyes only.
Don't tell lies.
To be continued.
No.
It's our room. Last time. No one.
That's a lie. It's not
But for our safety.
It's for ourselves
only. No one.
Okay.
Who's the messiest?
You
Messiest hair. Oh, sige.
close our eyes and then
Messiest in terms of what?
No one.
I'm not saying
safe?
No one.
A lie.
It's safe. Yeah, we're not gonna say it.
Oh.
It's Gwen.
Ate Maloy.
Ate Maloy. Everyone.
Everyone. We have our own style.
Randy.
Or Joanne.
She's the wear weird stuff. Like weird colors, weird patterns, and weird everything.
She loves girl. Weird thing.
Paternity.
But
And then we have what do you call that? Like a statement.
Branding.
Yeah.
So if
Branding.
you want what's your
we have
well brand.
like
For me,
What? My what?
when you see like an
Like our style, our personal style.
We have
Elegance.
a signature, a signature. That's what you call like. Yeah, we have our own style. Mine would be like a necktie and
It's like vest.
or like a vest.
For Stacy, anything that's color pink.
big girly.
She likes
Yes.
sleeves and skirts.
And for Joanna,
I don't think I have a brand.
Long skirts.
Dresses.
Long skirts. Long
Dresses.
skirts.
Dresses.
Sneakers.
Long boots.
sneakers. The rest.
One by one.
Just this.
And a bubble.
Bubble skirt for Maloy.
Just now in my
For Joanna na. So,
Oh, no. Okay na.
We're not allowed.
Oh, we all loud, but the rule breaker here.
There's a big difference between DM and reply.
reply.
Just
comment.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
And Joanna.
me.
Oh yeah, because
And Joanna.
that's our little ways to communicate with them. That's why.
Figuring
No, sometimes it could be also criticism that we would like to clear out. That's why we reply to them.
just
to clear things.
Just
like this.
Yeah.
But we also reply to like very
Random things.
no like heartfelt messages like
Yeah.
Bini, thank you Bini for saving us ganyan. Ay,
Like that.
I
Thank you.
like that like this.
Yeah. Like that.
Like that. Me.
Oh,
Me.
I'm
Not even. You will know how to just disappear and travel.
If I'm not here in Bini, I will.
You better run away.
Everyone.
Be well and Beanie.
Ate Aya and Mika. That's for sure.
I'm gonna.
Them all
I want a
together.
farm with
She wants
animals.
farm. I'm gonna stay by the
Save up with multiple animals.
Save up now.
Ate Maloy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she brings a lot of snacks.
This one.
Oh, Stacy.
Gummies. Candy.
Yeah.
Pop.
Chips.
Candy.
Cookies.
Crisp.
Gummy bears.
Anything that's available.
So sour
Candies.
As long
Gummy
as we're
candy,
hungry,
yeah.
we will eat anything.
Therapist. Oh, unpaid therapist.
Therapist. Oh.
What's name in therapist? Or
Oh no!
I feel like every
Depends on the season.
It's
Yes, but if
It's Coach
but the
Pia.
therapist are saying
words and emotions,
This.
it's week everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone! One, two, 5, 6.
I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back now. Give a little extra, always doing better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds.
Para,
Thank you.
Thank you for watching us here with Cosmopolitan UK.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed.
Yes, and follow Beanie_PH on all social media platforms.
Yes. Don't say that. Always late. So it's you. You're acting out fashionably. Stay safe. Safe.